North Fusion Fest is an event held by the Cultural Awareness Club.
People from North participate, as well as community members come out and showcase parts of their cultures like dance and music.
Being my senior year, I really wanted to be ambitious and try to revive what was long lost. And I think it was a pretty good success.
Through these shows and these assemblies, you expose yourself to more cultures, which helps you become a better person too.
It honestly meant so much to me because I generally like to sing songs in my native language, like in Indian events and stuff, but showcasing my culture to the school was such a different experience and I really loved it so much. It means a lot to me. It meant a lot. It was like a great honor. I was kind of skeptical at first, but after seeing all the people support me, all the people clap, I was like, whoa, this was a great opportunity. I loved sharing my culture, and like some people don't know about Indian culture, so it was like a unique type of way to show who am I. I'm very proud of seeing all my classmates and people in my community participate in the Fusion Fest and just seeing everything happen like that. I'm really proud of everyone that performed today.
We hope that this will continue to be a thing and that people will see how great of a success this was, and hopefully in the next years and the years to come, we'll still have an assembly like this.